In front of me is OUKITEL G2 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. And hitting Allow in the pop-up. When you're done, before recording, hit this gear on the left and manage all of those options however you want to. Then go back and click red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording and click on the left one. To end it and save it though, on the right one. When recorder is off, you need to tap on those three lines on the right to access the list of all your recordings. To play one, click on it. To rename it, hold it. Click on those three dots at the top right corner, select rename and type in whatever you want to. And to delete it, hold it as well, but this time use this bin next to three dots and confirm your choice by hitting allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!